the house of the Lord. Are you glad that you're in the house of the Lord?
Amen. Yes.
See, when I heard the brother Rick was praying, opportunities. See, this is opportunities. We thank God that giving us opportunities to be in the house of the Lord. It's amazing, you know, that you're here right now. You're hearing. You're not just hearing. You're learning, including me. You know, we are learning because we have a lot of things to learn. You know, it doesn't matter who you are, how long you've been in the church. You're still learning. As long as you're living, you're learning. Why? Because you see, you need to humble yourself. See, you're learning. I want to learn. You're here. You're sitting here. You're learning. See, learning is protect you and getting close to the Lord, to get to know Him more. Because the way you know Him, the way you experience Him, the way you enjoy life. You see, imagine that living a life without God is terrible.